Alam niyo, nakakatuwa makakita ng mga tao na sobrang happy to see their friends win. Yung walang halong inggit, yung walang competition, yung genuinely sobrang happy lang nila sa mga achievements ng mga friends nila. Kahit na part of them is sad kasi wala pa sila ng mga bagay na yon. Pero they always choose to be happy kasi friends nila yun eh. Yung kahit na nakita nila yung mga posts ng mga friends nila online, kunyari bumili ng bagong phone, or like may bagong business, they are always silently cheering for their friends. Kasi all they want is for everyone to win. Alam nyo, sobrang bilib ako sa mga tao na ganun. And I hope na if you're a person who feels like you're stuck, na parang feeling mo na pag-iiwanan ka na parang you always ask yourself kung kailan naman yung time mo, when will be your turn. I just hope you know na you will get there, na eventually it will get better. Just trust and believe na whatever your desires are, someday you will have it.